spent so much time trying to control my life. I thought it meant that I was strong, but I was just afraid.
Afraid of what?
I dug out remains from the rubble of the towers. For 2 weeks, I was methodical, a scientist. I did what was asked of me. I did my job. I never shed a tear. I was proud of that. All these years I never let myself feel it.
Bones, we all deal with things in our own way, okay?
I could have avoided it all before I met you. I had no one in my life. And now I think of those people. And I think of you.
No.
Any one of them. It could have been you.
Alright.